How to grow on Bluesky fast. Hello everybody, welcome to another tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you guys 5 quick tips to help you grow on this new platform. Let's dive right in. So the first tip is to optimize your profile. A clear bio and a recognizable profile picture and a catchy handle will make you more discoverable. So just make sure that you insert a clear profile picture and something that will most likely describe you on your bio. The second tip is to engage authentically. So you just want to engage on different kind of posts. So you just have to basically like certain posts that interest you, and then you can also repost the content that you enjoy, and you can also leave comments on such posts because all of these real interactions matter on how you build up your profile. The third tip is to post quality content. You just have to share quality content regularly, whether it's thoughts, memes, or news, or any other genres of post. The fourth tip is to actually discover and connect. You just have to follow a niche communities that aligns with your interests and join trending conversation to get your name out there. And the fifth tip is to actually cross promote. You can share your profile link of Blue Sky on other social media like Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, WhatsApp, and many more. Doing that will let your friends on other platforms know about your profile on Blue Sky. So, those are the 5 tips that you can apply to grow your profile fast on Blue Sky. I hope you found this video helpful. If this helped, hit like and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys on the next one.